Hello, my name is Heather, and today I wanted to share an amazing product that I absolutely wanted to tell you all about. This is Chronic Youth Company, and so right now I'm going to be making a tea with their matcha. They also have a coconut expression, but today I thought that I really wanted to focus on the matcha because if you're like me and you have skin concerns and you're dealing with skin that has issues with acne and hyperpigmentation, having a product like this matcha is ideal because there's collagen in here, there's hyaluronic acid, all those things that we really need for hydration and health for our system and for our skin. Skin, hair, health care, health is all good and it's all in here. So I am going to be adding, this is an 8 ounce, this is actually a 12 ounce cup. So I have 8 ounces of hot water in here and I'm going to be adding their matcha powder. And you would want to add the entire packet. This is really just filled with great nutrients that are amazing for the body. I'm sure you guys know the benefits of anti-inflammatories and superfoods. This certainly qualifies as one of those. This is quite a lot in this package. It's a lot of good stuff. I promise you, you would not be unhappy. So we're now going to add another superfood and something that is really very helpful as an anti-inflammatory, which is turmeric. So we're going to do a half teaspoon of turmeric. And of course, we're going to add some lemon juice. This is a half lemon. Really squeeze wise, we'll probably be looking at about a half ounce. Certainly if you like to have more lemon like I do, absolutely have a very, very tart profile. You can go ahead and add some more. It's certainly up to you. And then we'll go ahead and add some honey. In here, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of honey. And ideally, an unfiltered honey would be best. And that's it, just stir. This is an amazing drink to enjoy at absolutely any time because it is always a great thing to do something good for your health. All you have to do now is visit chronicyouthco.com, sign up for their newsletter and get 15% off your order.